Welcome to Contented Hair. And as you can see today, I am partway through undoing my hair. So I did the moisturize and I do the 3 pigtails. This is the last one I haven't undone yet, and I've undone the other 2. And you can see here, you see that definition? Look at the definition. See the shine? See the definition and the shine just right there. And all you do is you style it. Just separate the curls and style it. And look at my hands. It's not oily or greasy. Let me undo this one. So I'm just going to undo it so you can see it. And even as I'm undoing it, you can see the definition on my hair texture just from using Contented Hair. So that's the hair done. So now I'm going to separate the curls. And look at the hydration. See the hydration? See that? And that curl pattern stays all day. No hairspray needed, no nothing else. Just you hydrate your hair, you moisturize the night before, and then now all I have to do is style it. So this is what the back looks like. I'm just going through finger combing, separating the strands and styling it. So that's the Contented Hair difference. It's the ingredients, it's how they're put together, it's how rich they are. Let me just close this door. Look at that, just like in seconds, I just undid my hair and finger detangled, finger styled, and this was there. You can see where the previous, this is 1 pigtail, and you just undo it, and you just go through the parting and style it. That is it. That's how good Contented Hair is, and that's how easy it is to use, and that's how much it grows your hair. Look at this, and I just keep separating it. Before I wasn't a fan of having hair in my face because the hair products are often so oily or something, whereas this one, Contented Hair, is a hair and body moisturizer, and it doesn't have any sort of oily residue, and it's so easy to detangle. Look, I can go through my hair, see that? It's so easy to detangle and finger comb. So this is reasonable enough. So now that I've done all this, and remember my hair is fine, 4C hair. You can check the other videos there where you can see my hair before I actually use Contented Hair. So that's it. That's like 2 minutes, maybe a couple of minutes to undo the other ones, and my hair's done, I get to go. But today I want to share with you what we have to live through, what this hair is going to take you outside. I'm going to take you outside with my hair where there's a blizzard. It's snowing, it's cold, it doesn't look pretty, and if I'm going for a long walk, what I will do is, if I have time, and depends on the company, I'll wear a headscarf first, or wear just something to protect your hair a little bit more. I might wear a headscarf first when I'm going outside for a long period of time, and then I'll put my woolly hat over, and I'll tuck this in. So if you live somewhere really cold, and I'll tuck these in as well, because while we always want to look cute and fabulous and all of that, you still want to protect your hair. So if I'm going outside, so this is me. Oh, there's a bit at the back there. So if you live somewhere really cold and you want to go shopping or run errands, even though the hats themselves are warm, if you want to have another layer, just put a headscarf underneath. Okay, so that's just showing you that there. So now I'm going to go outside so you can see the cold. And I'm going to go outside. I'm going to actually take off the hat, or maybe go outside without the hat, so the snow can fall on my hair, and then we can come back and I can show you close up what it looks like after the snow. Obviously I've been out in the snow before with my natural hair. I just never actually sort of recorded it or examined close up what the difference is. So today I'm going to do that. So I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.